Yellow flowers bring beautiful vibrancy and color to any landscape. And symbolically speaking, yellow flowers represent happiness and joy. There is room in virtually any garden design for the many shades of yellows found in spring bulbs, flowering shrubs, and herbaceous plants. Some flowers bloom better in different hardiness zones, so make sure to pick varieties that suit yours. Below, discover yellow flower varieties for your garden with growing tips like sun exposure and soil needs. Here are the 23 types of yellow flowers for your garden. But before that, welcome to my channel. Scotch broom. Sister golden hair cytisus. Not your typical Scotch broom, this elegant weeping form is covered with brilliant yellow pea-like flowers in spring. Plant alongside bulbs such as daffodils and tulips for a dazzling springtime display. Hardy in zones 5 to 8, full sun, 12 to 18, tall, deer-resistant. 2. Forsythia. Show off Forsythia. These cheerful golden flowers are a sure sign of spring and will brighten up a border or foundation planting. This improved form with a compact habit produces a profusion of flowers up and down the stems. Hardy in zones 5 to 8, part sun to sun, 5-6 feet tall, deer-resistant. 3. Honeysuckle. Sensation. Lonicera. Add vertical height and intoxicating fragrance to the yard with this showy climbing shrub. Pale lemony yellow flowers bloom from mid-spring to late summer, followed by attractive red berries. Train up an arbor, trellis or fence. Hardy in zones 4 to 9, full sun, 8-10 feet tall, deer-resistant. 4. Landscape rose. Oh so easy lemon zest rosa. For carefree color in the landscape, nothing beats oh so easy roses. This sturdy shrub has pretty yellow roses that stand out against the glossy green foliage. Single-petaled blooms are fade-resistant and self-cleaning. Disease-resistant and maintenance-free. Hardy in zones 4 to 9, full sun, 2 to 3, tall. 5. Potentilla. Happy face yellow potentilla. Yellow garden flowers on this hardy carefree shrub add multi-seasonal interest even in the coldest regions. Extra-large strawberry-like flowers bloom non-stop from spring to frost. Use along a foundation, in mixed borders or mass plantings. Hardy in zones 2 to 7, part sun to sun, 2 to 3, tall, deer-resistant. 6. Street. John's wort. Blues Festival Hypericum. Add foliage and flower interest to the landscape with this reliable maintenance-free shrub. Steel blue foliage contrasts beautifully with sunburst bright yellow summer flowers. Use in a mixed border, massed along a slope or as a foundation planting. Hardy in zones 4 to 7, full sun, 2 to 3, tall, deer-resistant. 7. Perennial sunflower. Tuscan sun. Heliopsis. The most compact Heliopsis available, this variety is more controlled and well suited to smaller spaces. Yellow perennial flowers occur from mid to late summer, supporting insect pollinators including bees and butterflies. Use in a mixed border or mass plantings. Hardy in zones 3 to 9, full sun, 2 to 3, tall, deer-resistant. 8. Stonecrop. Rock and low. Boogie-woogie. Sedum. Sedums are good plants for rockeries, sunny borders and waterwise landscapes. Yellow summer flowers pop against a backdrop of cream and green variegated foliage. Thrives in poor soil and needs little additional water. Use as a ground cover, in containers or as edging in areas with good drainage. Hardy in zones 3 to 9, full sun, 6 to 8, tall, rabbit-resistant. 9. Daylily. Rainbow rhythm. Going bananas. Hemerocalis. One of the best reblooming daylilies, fragrant lemony flowers add a ray of sunshine to a border, bed or slope. These long-lived carefree plants are tolerant of various soil conditions and are reliable in most growing regions. Hardy in zones 3 to 9, part sun to sun, 19 to 22, tall, rabbit-resistant. 10. Red-hot poker. Pyromania. Solar flare. Nephophia. Towering spikes of golden yellow flowers add vertical drama to an informal border or curbside planting. This reliable perennial is tolerant of heat, drought and poor soils. Blooms continuously all summer long. Hardy in zones 5 to 9, full sun, 36 to 42, tall, deer and rabbit resistant. 11. Yarrow. Firefly sunshine, Achillea. Dark green ferny foliage contrasts with clusters of tiny bright yellow flowers on long sturdy stems. This long-lived cottage garden staple provides lasting color in the summer garden. Tolerant of drought and various growing conditions. Hardy in zones 3 to 8, full sun, 28 to 30, tall, deer and rabbit resistant. 11. Yarrow. Firefly sunshine, Achillea. Dark green ferny foliage contrasts with clusters of tiny bright yellow flowers on long sturdy stems. This long-lived cottage garden staple provides lasting color in the summer garden. Tolerant of drought and various growing conditions. Hardy in zones 3 to 8, full sun, 28 to 30, tall, deer and rabbit resistant. 13. Coneflower. Color-coded, yellow my darling, Echinacea. This tough perennial produces sunny rays of flowers that age to creamy yellow. Plant this wildlife-friendly native in a mixed border or bed and leave the seedheads as food for birds. Hardy in zones 4 to 8, heart sun to sun, 18 to 24, tall, deer resistant. 14. Ligularia. Bottle rocket, Ligularia. Stately spikes of rich buttery flowers brighten up the landscape in midsummer. Use this perennial to light up a shady border, streamside garden or boggy areas. Bold serrated foliage provides multi-seasonal interest. Hardy in zones 4 to 9, heart shade to shade, 28 to 34, tall, deer resistant. 15. Shasta daisy. Amazing daisies, banana cream 2, Leucanthemum. A modern twist on a cottage garden favorite, lemony yellow flowers open to creamy white. This is an improved form of banana cream, with more flower buds, earlier bloom time and a more appealing growth habit. Use in containers or to edge beds and borders. Hardy in zones 5 to 9, full sun, 20 to 24, tall. 16. Canna lily, toucan yellow canna. Add tropical flair with this heat lover featuring exotic yellow flowers on tall stalks. Bold foliage adds drama to containers or mixed borders. Overwinter rhizomes indoors to replant the following spring. Hardy in zones 8 to 11, heart sun to sun, 30 to 48, tall, deer resistant. 17. Nemesia. Sunsatia lemon nemesia. Little light yellow flowers bloom in profuse clusters in all but the hottest weather. Use this bushy annual in window boxes or containers with other plants, or plant in the landscape as a ground cover or pathway edging. Hardy in zones 10 to 11, heart sun to sun, 6 to 10, tall. 18. Creeping zinnia, Sunbeanie sanvitalia. This creeping ground cover produces yellow flowers that look like tiny daisies. Use these cheerful blooms to brighten up a window box, container or border. Heat tolerant with self-cleaning blooms from summer through frost. Hardy in zones 9-11, heart sun to sun, 6 to 12, tall. 19. Dahlia, Mystic illusion, Dahlia. This warm season annual grown from tubers blooms non-stop from midsummer until frost. Lemony yellow flowers with a burgundy red center stand out against dark purple foliage. Grow in a large container or border and save tubers to replant the following year. Hardy in zones 8 to 11, full sun, 18 to 36, tall. 20. Purslane, Mojave yellow portulaca. A popular ground cover, purslane is suitable for rock gardens, walls and challenging sites. Large rose-like flowers on this tough succulent are captivating on their own or when combined with other waterwise plants. Hardy in zones 10 to 11, full sun, 4 to 8, tall, deer resistant. 21. Lantana, luscious Bananarama lantana. Grown as an annual in most regions, this plant has clusters of bright yellow flowers all season. Use in landscape beds or containers as a standalone accent or combine with complementary plants. Heat and drought tolerant, hardy in zones 9-11, full sun, 20 to 30, tall, deer resistant. 22. Bidens, Goldilocks rocks bidens. Golden daisy-like flowers grow 3 inches across, the largest of any bidens. Provides non-stop color from early summer until frost. Combine with other plants in a hanging basket or container. Heat and drought tolerant, hardy in zones 9-11, full sun, 8 to 14. 23. Strawflower, Flambe yellow chrysocephalum. Also known as common everlasting, this ground cover is tolerant of heat, drought and poor soils. Clusters of small yellow flowers bloom from planting until frost. Use in rock gardens, mass plantings and containers. Hardy in zones 9 to 10, full sun, 8 to 14, tall, deer resistant. These yellow flowering perennials not only bloom all summer, but they also thrive in full sun. That's what makes this list of perennials with yellow flowers so great. Each of these needs full sun, meaning they're perfect for those of us with sun-filled gardens. They're perfect for containers, borders, walkways, and flower beds that soak up the sun's rays during the spring and summer. Whether you are looking for a classic yellow daffodil, a bold yellow sunflower, or delicate yellow yarrow, there's a summer-loving yellow flowering perennial that's sure to bring joy and beauty to your garden. I hope you learned some tips and garden guide to make your garden beautiful. Thank you for watching. To God be the glory.